Take a ride in 2012 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, keyless entry, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mats, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel ABS, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.